Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you enjoy a good cup of pour over coffee, then you are going to love this pour over set.
If you like making a delicious cup of coffee without having an expensive, bulky machine, then this pour over set from AXUYU is so perfect. Look how beautiful this glass is. It is this gorgeous iridescent rainbow, and it is so thoughtfully made with this great wooden stand and these rubber pieces that everything comes off. So this is so easily cleaned, and it really is just absolutely gorgeous to watch making a cup of coffee in this and then enjoying this delicious pour over brew. And I think that it is really just so well made. This is a V60 glass coffee dripper, and it goes down into the 500 ml server. So you can have a delicious, beautiful cup of coffee made in under 2 minutes. I think this makes a striking addition to any coffee bar or makes the perfect gift for a coffee lover in your life. They are going to be so wowed by the beauty and quality of this set.
So I highly recommend this gorgeous pour over set, and that is my point of view.